Greetings once more, colleagues. This is a continuation of our first video in terms of resolving the problem of being unable to patch. Colleagues, I would have to pause you. As you can see, a call is coming in. Hold on. Hello, colleagues. I have returned from answering the call, and it also indicated to me one thing, colleagues. I have been a little. Hey, there's a man out. All right, colleagues. One thing I noticed was that I can be able to pause this during the installation. Pardon me, like I said, once we move on, we improve. Apparently, one of our colleagues was outside my working station, busy answering a call, so that was the noise. It's okay. Let's continue, colleagues. From once we have installed 20.1.3, what we will do is you can simply go back to your control panel. Once you get back to your control panel, colleagues, you can simply check, is it installed? Hold on, colleagues. We are gonna see everything. Okay, here it is installed SASMs. Now you launch it. As you're launching it, colleagues, you launch it, and then the same database that was giving you a challenge, you go onto it, you log onto it. Now, as you can see, it's now compacting the database. It is compacting it, colleagues. It is compacting it. Once it is done compacting it, it will open it. This also might consume sometimes. Okay, on your side, colleagues, okay, if I pause it, I feel like you will be missing out on some other things, so I'm not gonna pause it because we still have time. But when needs be, I'm gonna pause the video so that I don't end up with multiple videos in terms of resolving this problem. Now, as you can see, database successfully patched to version 20.1.3. You said okay. Once you say okay, it opens the database. You just simply close the database because the mission is being accomplished. Then you move back, you go into your following patch. In your case, it might be 20.2.0. Advisably, start with this one, patch with this one again, and patch again. So I'm just crossing over to the 20.2.1 because I take it 20.2.1 also includes 20.2.0. So I launch the patch. Once I launch it, as you can see, it's coming up to install. This is our most recent patch, colleagues. As it comes up to install, let's wait up on it. My co-worker here was advising me to say, let us restart this video. I said no, they must understand that we are meeting challenges out here while we are making this video. We are just not making them for the fun of it, colleagues. We are humbly trying to assist where possible, because if we were in a situation where we are stuck, we would also like you to assist us where you can. Right, as it is installing, I think we all know the process of installing, so I will pause it and then return to you when it has completely installed. As you can see, the status now, it hasn't even begun, but I will pause it now and return when it has completed. Yes, colleagues, I continued it. It might tell you about the following files needs to be updated by this setup. It's okay, let it auto do it. Was unable to close all windows, it's okay. Then the installation continues, colleagues. It is unregistering previous setups and updating them with the new ones. Where I started, colleagues, I believe it won't take as much time as it would have, so that is why I unpaused, so you can see some of the actions it's taking. And then it's busy installing, colleagues. Let's just be patient with it. Remember, colleagues, from now on I will be taking inquiries from the channel out there, so we can better assist each other and be able to communicate at a much better uh, environment. So those who feel like they will be needing help in the future, please head over there, leave your comments. Right, as you can see the screen, it is blinking again to indicate that program is being installed. SACM successfully installed. Now you're finished. Now launch your patch. Now as you launch your new patch, you open your database. As you can see, it is now updating patch into a particular version. As you can see, it's compacting. Now you see, successfully patched to version 20.2.1. And now there is your school patched to the relevant patch. Now you no longer have any challenges. Maybe you might need me to show you the learner listing and stuff, but all is well in here, colleagues. Other than that, thank you very much. Head over there, subscribe, leave your challenges. We shall make videos to them, and then all will be well. Thank you very much for your time, colleagues. Until next time, goodbye.